In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and download your monthly statements in Robinhood. We're going to walk through exactly where your monthly statements live, how to view them as PDFs, and how to download them for your records. I'll also show you where to find your detailed transaction history if you need to dig deeper into specific trades, deposits, or dividends. Start by opening the Robinhood app on your phone or go to the Robinhood website in your browser. Make sure you're signed in to your account. On mobile, tap the profile icon to open your account area. On the website, click your account icon to get to the same place. This is your starting point for anything related to your personal documents and statements. From there, open the main menu. You'll recognize it as the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. Once you're in the menu, look for the option labeled Reports and Statements and select it. This section is dedicated to official documents, so it's where you'll find monthly statements and other reports that summarize your account activity in a clean, shareable format. If you have more than one account type, such as a standard brokerage account along with a retirement account, you'll be prompted to choose which account you want to view. Pick the one you're interested in so the statements shown match that account's activity. After you select the account, you'll see a list of monthly statements organized by month and year. To view one, simply tap or click the month you need and it will open as a PDF. If you want to keep a copy, use the download option in the viewer. On mobile, that might look like a share or download icon, allowing you to save the PDF to your device or cloud storage. On desktop, you'll typically see a download button in the PDF toolbar, which you can use to save it to your computer. These PDFs are great for record keeping, verifying balances, or sharing documentation with a financial professional. Each monthly statement provides a consolidated snapshot of your account, including starting and ending balances, a summary of holdings, and a high-level view of activity for that period. If you need a more granular look at specific transactions, go to your account area and open history to see your transaction history. There you can review individual trades, transfers, dividends, and other events in detail. That's it. You now know how to access, view, and download your monthly statements and where to find your detailed history when you need it. Keep your PDFs organized and secure, and you'll always be ready for audits, budgeting, or tax prep.